This is M4, January 2016, question 13. In the triangle shown, find x and hence the length of the longest side. The longest side is the hypotenuse, this one here. A solution of trial improvement will not be accepted, and we've got to show all your working. So we need some concept or something to connect the information in the question. So triangles, think about what you know about triangles, and you've got sides of triangles. What we know that connects those three sides is Pythagoras' theorem. So Pythagoras' theorem states that the longest side, the hypotenuse, squared, is equal to the sum of the shorter sides squared, equal to the sum of the square of the shorter sides. So we need to work out, this is our equation to work out, to solve. The 4x minus 7 all squared, that means 4x minus 7 times 4x minus 7. The x minus 3 would be x minus 3 times by itself, and then the 3x plus 4 also times by itself. We then need to expand these brackets. So we've got 4x times 4x, which will be 16x squared. 4x times minus 7 is minus 28x. Minus 7 times 4x again is minus 28x, and minus 7 times minus 7 is positive 49. In the second expansion, we've got x times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x, and minus 3x again. And then we have minus 3 times minus 3 is positive 9. And then the final bracket will be 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 4 is 12x, and again another 12x, and then 4 times 4 is 16. Probably best simplifying the left and the right before we go any further, because there's just a lot going on. 16x squared, we now have minus 56x plus 49. The right hand side then we've got 10x squared, minus 3 is minus 6, 12 and 12 is 24, so you've got 24 take away 6, you've got 18x. Then we've got a plus 9 and a plus 16, which is 25. The large number of x squared is on the left hand side, so let's bring everything over to the left. We'd be left with 6x squared minus 64x plus 24 equals 0, or 3x squared minus 37x plus 12 equals 0. Solving that, you can factorize our quadratic formula. I'll try to factorize. Try times to give 36. 3 times 12 is 36. And add to give the middle number, which is minus 37. So the answer to that would be minus 36 and minus 1. They add to give minus 37, they times to give 36. So we'd have 3x squared minus 36x minus x plus 12 equals 0. We're changing the minus 37x into minus 36 and minus 1 from the team. We're factorizing then the first two terms and then the last two terms. So factorizing the first two terms, the highest common factor would be 3x, x minus 12, take away, and then x minus 12. Take away 1, minus 1 is the common factor there. And that gives you 3x minus 1 as one bracket and x minus 12 as the other. Out of space here, we get the final answer. Well, the answer comes from the first bracket could be 0, so 3x minus 1 is 0, in which case 3x is equal to 1 if you add 1 to both sides, and x would be a third. The other option then is that x minus 12 is 0, in which case x would be 12. So their two answers are there. But what are they asking for? They're asking for the value for x and the longest side. This might not be our final answer. If we look at the shortest side, x minus 3, if x was a third, this would be a third, take away 3 would be a negative side, so we can actually discard that. It can't be a third. So x must be 12, that's what will go into your answer line for x. The longest side then is this one here. That would be 4 12ths, because x is 12, take away 7. So 48 take away 7 is 41. So the longest side is 41.